Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to open MetaMask in Chrome. First, you have to search Google Chrome and then open it with the Gmail, which you want to add MetaMask. After that, go to the search bar and then type Chrome Web Stores and then click on the first and official link of Web Store. After that, find the extensions option in the left upper side and then click on it. After that, go to the search option and then type MetaMask and click on this extension, Official MetaMask. After that, you can see all the details about the MetaMask extension and the size of this extension, everything. After that, click on the Add to Chrome button, and then this will start downloading on your computer. After downloading this extension, automatically add to your extension list. Now you can use it from the upper extension option. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to open MetaMask in Chrome. In very easy steps, there is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.